In today's video, I will be sharing an H-E-B grocery haul, unboxing a new air fryer that I got to try out, showing you what I cooked in it this week, and there will also be a quick little kitchen cleaning too. But before this video gets started, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Alright, so we are starting off with our little grocery haul from H-E-B. I'm going to show you everything we got. Starting over here, we hit up the Halloween clearance, and they had these Halloween paper plates on clearance for 90 cents. So we got a pack of this one that says tricks and treats, and we also got this one, which is my favorite. It has a little jack-o'-lantern face on it. Next up, we got some H-E-B brand wing sauce in medium. We also got some ranch dressing, some more of the Monterey Jack with jalapeno pepper sliced cheese. I got a bag of these fresh cranberries literally for no reason other than it was free. We got some chicken wings because I'm going to be making chicken wings, which is why we got the wing sauce. We also picked this up. I've seen this at H-E-B a million times and I've never tried it, but it's the thick cut hayride bacon, and it's hand seasoned with cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, and pumpkin for a touch of sweetness. Looks pretty good, so we'll be trying that out sometime this week. We got some garlic and herb frozen fries that we're going to be trying in the air fryer. Got some bananas, some more apple cider cake donuts. I got this bread out of the frozen section to try it out. It's Silver Hill Sprouted Power. Supposedly good for you, so we'll see. Got 2 things of this water, and then of course I had to get my acid reflux medicine because it's killing me. That's everything we got from H-E-B today. Now we're gonna do a little unboxing of the new air fryer. This is a dual zone air frying oven, which means you can cook 2 different things at the same time, but at different temperatures, different timing, and different cooking settings. It came with a user manual, a grilling tray, a drip pan. Those 2 go in the bottom compartment, and at the top is a drawer, which also came with a crisper plate. This air fryer has several different cooking options, which range from air frying to grilling, a dehydrating option. You can also bake, roast, broil, reheat, toast. There's a bagel option and a keep warm option as well. So the first thing we're trying out in our new air fryer is chicken wings. This is my first time ever making chicken wings, and I found a recipe online to do it in the air fryer. So I drizzled some olive oil on the chicken wings and seasoned them with salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And then I added in some cornstarch, and in the bottom drawer I cooked the fries. I love that you can cook 2 different things at once at different temperatures with different cooking settings and a different time setting. Some other great features of this product is the see-through windows. You can see through the top and the bottom compartment while your food is cooking. There's a light in there as well, which helps you see better. So I've got the wings in the top compartment and the fries at the bottom. In the meantime, I melted some butter with some minced garlic and mixed in the wing sauce. After the wings were done cooking, I just tossed them in the sauce. The wings turned out perfect, absolutely delicious, and cooked to perfection, and so did the fries. We will definitely be making this again because it turned out so good and we love hot wings. The next morning, I tried some hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer. They also turned out really good, and then we cooked the bacon in the air fryer as well, and we made toast in there too. Again, this meal turned out perfect. I love cooking bacon in an air fryer. It's so much easier and faster and less mess. Plus, it's healthier because you don't end up with all of that grease. And then for dinner, we decided to try out a steak in the air fryer as well with some squash. I found this recipe on TikTok. It was called garlic steak bites. So I cut up the steak first, drizzled them with olive oil, and then seasoned it with salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. In the drawer, I put the squash. I made a garlic butter sauce as well to go over top of the steak, and we had that with a side of garlic butter noodles. Again, this meal turned out absolutely delicious. And again, way easier and less mess. So now it's time to do a quick cleaning in the kitchen. I'm just going to put everything away and load up the dishwasher, wipe off the countertops, and clean the air fryer accessories, which was so easy to do. Just soap and water, wash, rinse, dry, and voila, you are done. Very easy to clean. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. The link to the air fryer will be down below in the description of this video. Check it out. I recommend it. It is very easy and fun to use and easy cleanup too, which is a bonus. The bottom cooking tray is a 5-quart and the top is a 6-quart. You can cook so many different things in this air fryer and it turns out perfect every time. I love that it has a digital screen. I love the turning knobs. It's so simple and easy to use. I also love that you can see through the glass so you can keep an eye on your food. This air fryer is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control this stuff through an app on your phone, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is the end of the video, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye!